What is up, everybody? Tyler here from Vant Trading. So today we're going to talk about quarter points, the quarter point theory, how you can trade with it, how to chart it, how to use it, all the above. But first, if you don't mind, please hit that like button on the video. It helps get this video out to all the other traders who are trying to understand what the quarter point theory is. And also, please hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this one. So let's dive on into it. All right, so basically what the quarter point theory is it's almost like bank levels, right? So banks, institutions, countries, they all use, when they transact with foreign currencies, they use very simple whole numbers, right? So what they'll do is if they're transacting in a currency, they'll want to do like, oh, let's do 152, right? Or 152.250. 152.500. There's whole numbers, there's quarter points that make the transactions very simple, straightforward, and easy, right? So basically what you want to start off doing is dropping your horizontal line, and I'll start at 152, right? Then I'll drop it at 152.250, 152.500, 151.750, okay, 750, drop it right there. 151.500. So basically what it is it's every 25 pips. Every 250 points, 25 pips. So if this is GBP, JPY, if you're charting it on another pair, just count 25 pips and drop each line at 25 pips. But it has to start at a whole number like 152, 151, 153, stuff like that, right? So one thing you should know is those whole quarter points like 152, 153, 154, those are the strong quarter points. Those are the most important quarter points that will have the most significant resistance or support. And then the actual quarter points as far as 152, 250, 500, 750, those are the minor quarter points, but also will have some significance as well. You can use them as take profits, stop loss, entries, whatever it may be. These levels come to be very useful in Forex. So one thing you'll notice is if you're having trouble figuring out where some support and resistance are, if you drop the quarter points, you probably won't even need to look for support and resistance again, because you'll notice that if I draw a zone, a box around this 152.250, you'll see that this is a nice level of resistance right here. It broke through and created some kind of resistance there. Had a nice wick support right there, So it actually has significance to each quarter point as far as price will most likely hesitate and respect each quarter point. If I draw a box around this 152.500 level, you'll see that that's where the intraday double top was formed, right? This double top right there, rejection right there, and so on and so forth, right? So if you just draw the quarter points and draw boxes around each quarter point, then you'll find that it acts as a very strong support and resistance level, right? Let's draw this one more chart real quick. Let me draw this one more. All right, look, cool. So basically what you can do is you can use these levels to trade off of, right? So if you notice that this quarter point right here is getting rejected and it keeps hitting that quarter point but it can't break through, you can take a sell and look for a short to the next quarter point or even the quarter point after that, right? Vice versa, if you're looking for a, if you're looking right over, right here, right? You're looking at this double top and you notice that, wow, it's really respecting this 152.500 quarter point. You could take a sell against it and look for the next quarter point or the quarter point after that. You see, because it respects each quarter point. Respected this one, respected this one. It's almost like stair steps, right? It goes from quarter point to quarter point, and it typically moves in those 25 pip directions because that's where the foreign transactions are occurring, right? You have this action where it this quarter point, 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 quarter point. See, it just moves every 25 pips. So it gives you some easy and good trade opportunities as far as where you expect price to go and if it's rejecting or respecting any quarter points. That's all there is to it, really. You could trade off the 5-minute, the 15-minute, 30-minute, whatever time frame you find works best for you, and then just kind of go for it, right? I typically use technical analysis for entries, but the quarter points are what I use as take profits and stop losses. And typically I'll try to find entries against those quarter points because it acts as an extra confluence. Right? Simple enough. Not much else to it. If you have any other questions about this video, how quarter points work, how you can use them in your trading strategy, leave a comment below the video and I will get right back to you. I hope you found this informative. Hope you found it helpful. Again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video and the channel, and I will see you next time.